In June 2025, cybersecurity took a sharp turn. Researchers at AIM Labs uncovered a critical zero-click vulnerability inside Microsoft 365 Copilot, now known as EchoLeak, or CVE-2025-32711. This flaw, it let attackers quietly exfiltrate sensitive corporate data, emails, chat logs, SharePoint files, all from a single carefully crafted email. No clicks, no alerts, no user interaction at all. So what exactly is EchoLeak? At its core, it's an LLM scope violation, a fancy way of saying it's a type of indirect prompt injection. Attackers figured out how to trick Copilot into fetching and leaking internal data, just by exploiting how it grabs context for user queries. The attack leverages Copilot's Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG system, a feature designed to pull in relevant data to answer questions. But when Copilot fetches the attacker's poisoned email, embedded instructions kick in and silently extract internal data often sent out through sneaky encoded links. Let's break down the attack chain first. The attacker sends a perfectly crafted email loaded with hidden malicious instructions. Copilot's RAG system does its thing and fetches that email during a normal work task. Those hidden instructions using markdown tricks and open redirects through Teams domains tell Copilot exactly what to grab and where to send it. To make matters worse, the email can even tell Copilot not to reference its source for compliance reasons, keeping the whole exploit invisible. All the data exfiltration happens with zero user clicks or awareness. Technically, this is classified as an AI command injection CVE-77 for the security buffs out there. The CVSS 3.1 score? A critical 9.3 out of 10. The exploit jumps right past traditional prompt injection filters thanks to clever use of markdown and open redirects. And because Copilot integrates so deeply with Outlook, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, and more, most organizations are at risk out of the box. Now, there's a bit of good news. As of July 2025, there's no evidence this flaw was exploited in the wild. Microsoft moved quickly, rolling out a server-side patch in June, so users didn't have to lift a finger. But for added protection, security pros recommend using data loss prevention, email sensitivity tags, and dialing back Copilot's access to external or sensitive content, though it might limit some AI features. The real lesson? Any AI agent or RAG system needs strict guardrails, input sanitization, retrieval filtering, output inspection, and airtight access controls. Why does this matter? EchoLeak isn't just a bug, it's a warning shot. It exposes a new wave of AI layer vulnerabilities that traditional security tools simply can't see. As generative AI like Copilot becomes standard in enterprise workflows, security teams need to move beyond old perimeters. That means building layered AI-specific defenses, modeling new threats, and monitoring these systems continuously. EchoLeak is a sign of things to come. The generative AI era demands a new kind of vigilance. So if you're responsible for security, now's the time to rethink your defenses and get AI aware before the next wake-up call arrives.